This is wild, man. This still blows my mind. Every time I look at this car in this shop, every time I'm just see this shop, it still blows me away. It doesn't feel like this is real, but it's so real, man. What's up, guys? So if you guys have not yet checked out, I guess, one of the past videos where we kind of talked about, I guess, what the hell we're doing here, what's going on, and I guess the plan. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, would make this video make a whole lot more sense. Does that make sense? Cool. Today is gonna be the first build video, I guess, on the first build in our shop, man. The first customer car. I'm so excited. If you guys have a car that you guys want to see here in this shop, let me know, man. Shoot me a message, hit up me an email. My email will be down in the description. If you guys have any business inquiries, please go ahead and get in touch with me, but just please no time wasters. You guys know what I mean. So, yeah, so let's, I guess, just dive right into things. We have a lift, which is just a game changer. I'm very, very ready and excited to get this build on the road. I know you, Derek, watching, the owner, he's very excited. So without further ado, I say we just kind of hop into things, man. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to remove a KA out of a 240. So super nice, easy process. I'm gonna walk you guys through, and I think you might be kind of surprised as to how simple this actually is, and maybe, hey, who knows, this might entice you guys to go ahead and pull your KA out, swap it in with an RB, JZ, LS, VQ, whatever you want. So let's just go ahead and get started. Just want to give a huge thanks to Travis for trusting me to babysit his Thin Mints. I really do appreciate you, Travis. Thank you. And we'll make sure they stay safe. Just by the way, if you guys are curious as to what's going in this thing, we actually have a fully built 2JZ here. It's actually upside down. Rest of some of the parts are here. We still got to order some, but check out this beautiful Hypertune intake manifold. This thing is gorgeous. Got a big old 70 something mil turbo right there. Precision CD09, CTSV calipers. It's going with a full Collins adapter plate kit. As you guys can see, here's the adapter plate itself. This is a non-cut version. So I'll be curious to see how kind of that fits up. Couple wastegates. It's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be pretty awesome. So yeah, let's go ahead and just get diving into this thing. And by the way, this battery is junk. It is 9 years old. She is dunzo. Next first purchase for the shop is gonna be a toolbox. So I'm pretty excited, saving up for that right now, because my current toolbox is just way overpacked. And but I also probably have to look for a place of mine first before we buy a toolbox. So it's actually not that bad in here. Probably like the best condition battery tray I've ever seen. We're gonna be relocating the battery to the back, so that's no longer going up here. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and we're gonna unplug this MAF. And then we got some hose going to the actual snorkel here. So it is the next day. Last night I didn't really film too much, just kind of got the engine prepped to a point where ready to pull. Just got the drive shaft out, exhaust, got that cut out the way. So we're pretty much ready to get this thing pulled out. We're gonna go ahead and yank the bumper off though, just to have some more room for the hoist to be able to kind of get up in where it needs to be. But you guys can see I got another homie with me today. This is Austin. This is the guy who's made pretty much this whole thing possible. So say what's up to him. And yeah, so he's going to be helping us out and kind of wrenching, learning,
wrenching.
That's what I'm
helping
saying.
Calvin with the business end of things.
So you'll be seeing him on camera a lot. It's going to be a good time. It's going to be cool to have, like, I guess, help and someone to kind of shoot some shit with, and it's going to be a good time. So You guys are gonna be seeing him a lot, and yeah, I just wanted to make a quick little introduction. So
What's up, you too?
Yeah. So, but yeah, we're just gonna kind of hop into things. Like I said, we're just gonna go ahead and yank the bumper off and get this KA pulled. So we're pretty much there. Let's get this thing out of here. So now, it's going to be tricky because getting this pallet.
Yeah, well, here's what I think we should do.
Maybe just dolly it. I think we're about ready to clean this thing up, man. Are those our bolts?
No,
No?
that's the key. But I do
He
have.
mailed the key. Mailed the key.
Yeah,
Okay. There it is, the key to the streets. So, it's been a big problem in the shop already. I mean, it doesn't bother him. It bothers me pretty bad. We got mad flies over in the office area.
Mad flies.
A lot of flies. So I thought this is a pretty small package. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger. It had nothing but 5-star reviews, okay?
Nothing but.
Nothing but.
I bet it doesn't work.
When it comes with this, you know it's real.
It's not gonna
Okay,
work.
that's to brush the bugs off, I would assume.
This isn't for Texas-sized flies and bugs.
You don't think so? If we hang it in the office area, I think it's gonna do a great job.
Hang it up. Let's find out.
Let's see if we can have our first victim. All right, you ready for this? Yeah.
Oh.
All right, I guess now we just wait. Now we wait. Okay. Let's get back to work. We'll come back. Okay, so that's not gonna leak. Shouldn't leak.
Fits like a glove.
Just roll around, I guess. I would have loved if you would have stalled it right there. That would have been great. All right, guys. So we're outside. Obviously, we got a bit of that Zep. Honestly, never heard of this stuff, but apparently this is it right here. So.
Wow, that is bad. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Oh. Once this thing starts up. Oh yeah.
Uh-oh.
God damn it. Oh, she is not happy. I just put fuel in it. Jesus. Huh. You wanna know what Austin told me? You wanna know what he told me? Says it works like a gem. Look what we have here, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know why Austin gave me that piece of junk over there, but lo and behold, we have this just sitting. Hasn't even been started yet. Oh, we were okay. All right. So before this guy's got to go home and feed his bulls, right? Is that what you got to go ahead and do?
I do have to give the bulls.
Ranch life, man. Ranch life. So, just want to show you guys really quick. We have the fully. I guess the engine bay is pretty much ready for this too, Jay. Got it all cleaned out. You guys remember how bad it was? Frame rails cleaned up, really good. No rust, no trouble areas. We are gonna move this battery tray, that's for sure. But we gotta get the spot weld removal tool. We'll be back tomorrow. We're just waiting on an O-ring to go ahead and put this oil pan on the 2J, and we'll go ahead and slap this thing together and kind of see how fitment works out, and hopefully get it mounted up. So I guess that's the plan. We will see you guys tomorrow.